Okay, now we discuss about the one of the multiplexer, that is the basic 2 into 1 multiplexer. Okay, 2 into 1 means already I told you that that represents the 2 into 1 means 2 inputs and 1 output multiplexer. Okay, so automatically it has how many number of inputs? 2 inputs. That will be represented as the I of 0 or D of 0, I1. Okay, input means I1. Okay, so that, and actually these input lines will be selected by the output to the output by the selected lines. Already I told you that will be one input will be selected to the output by the selected lines only. Okay, so for this 2 into 1 multiplexer, how many number of selected lines means, already I told you the one expression, m is equal to log 2 power n. Okay, so here n means input. Okay, so 2 square. Okay, so log of 2 power 2 log of 0, that is log is equal to 1. Okay, that means the number of selected lines for this one means m is equal to 1. Okay, so these selected lines will be selected depends upon the digital input. Actually the digital inputs, how many we can give possibilities for the one selected inputs means 0 1. Okay, for the 0 input I of 0 in output will be represented by the output lines. Okay, I not input అనేది select అవుతుంది. For the selected inputs 1, then the input will be selected through the output is I1. Okay, this is the tabular form which will be representing the depends upon selected lines which will be selected at the output. Okay, so and again we can for representing the logic diagram, we can take the boolean expression by considering this truth table. How we can write the boolean expression for the output? S bar I naught plus S I1, S I1, S bar I naught, 0 means S bar I naught plus S I1. Okay, so if you consider S is equal to 0, then Y is equal to I naught. If you consider S is equal to 1, then Y is equal to I1. Okay, so this is the truth table and expression for the 2 into 1 multiplexer. Okay, and again we can represent this multi-mux by logic diagram. Okay, if you observe here the expression, boolean expression, it will be having into and or operation. Okay, S bar S, these are selected lines, and I naught I1 is the input lines. We can consider this will be D naught D1 also, data lines, nothing but data lines. Okay, by considering this expression we can design the logic diagram. Okay, so this is the AND gates, this is the OR gate. Okay, Y is the final expression. Okay, actually if you observe here, S bar I naught plus S I1, S bar means complement. Okay, so this is the complemented one, this is totally selected line. If you consider, this is the S bar, this is the S. Okay, D naught S bar plus D1 S. Okay, this is the S line. Okay, so this is the into operation, and again we are getting the OR. There is a plus will be there for the expression, then only we can combine with these two through the OR. Okay, so by the in this manner we can design any type of multiplexer, that is 4 into 1, 16 into 1, like that one multiplexers. Okay, again on next video I can explain how we can design the 4 into 1 multiplexer. Okay, almost 4 into 1 multiplexer means it will be having 4 inputs and 1 output lines. Okay, but how many number of selected lines means m is equal to log of 2 power n. 2 power n means if you consider 4 into 1, 4 inputs, that means 2 power 4. What is the m is, the value will be representing the selected lines. Okay.